We're here at the RAI in Amsterdam for the very first plastics recycling show Europe, and it's fantastic. Going very well indeed. I hope for the visitor experience is an education. Say some of the most knowledgeable minds are coming to this event as well, so they're educating, they're debating. It's a very vibrant industry. There's an awful lot going on in this sector at the moment, and it's growing very fast.
Well, it's a huge privilege being here in Amsterdam's plastic recycling show. There were earlier attempts to organize this, but finally it's been very, very successful. I'm going to look around for the stands here on new developments in plastic recycling. So I'm very much looking forward to walking around for a few hours. Please, please use your dedication and conviction to put pressure on politicians to do what is right and to create the new plastic economy. Thank you very much.
If you look, people have the drive, people want to show what they have achieved. And if you look what is possible and what I really believe in it, yes, I think to have this kind of people with this knowledge together, yeah, where you can easily go to each other and say, hey, what do you see, what do you do, and what do you think about it? Help us. You need to know that this kind of show is necessary to develop the business. Everybody here, if you look here to the Congress, you see that everybody is sitting there and listen to the stories. And they are good stories, and it is good to have it. Welcome on behalf of Plastic Recycling Europe and Crane to this recycling show.
I mean, obviously we're interested also in buying flake in order to make our own products. Co-suppliers as well who are interested in some of the additives that we use within our product, and then customers further downstream either interested in the formulation or interested in our compound.
Well, this show is very important to network, to get know the new trends on the market and make the right investments for the future.
The raw materials I'm going to use in my factory are recycled plastics, so that's why I'm interested in what's happening here. Plus I need machines, I need technology, and that's all available here at this show.
PRE and this show is the centrepiece of all that is good about our industry, but it also provides a focal point to bring together all of the players in industry to discuss how we can best promote our industry and take the industry forward.
For us it's quite important because you can meet every company which is important in this area.
It is indeed very important because we just bought a business in plastic upcycling, and that's why I want to meet people, make friends.
It's crucial that we try to reach much higher recycling targets in almost all materials that we use, in order to make the European economy much more resilient. We're dependent for 70% of all resources from outside Europe. We only provide 30% of resources ourselves. So everything that we can reuse, recycle and make part of the circular economy is not only making sense in environmental terms, but also in economic terms.
I think we're on the edge of a curve and it's starting to take off quite dramatically. And this show is the first of its kind in Europe to have a dedicated show for plastics recycling and a conference as well. And we look to grow and develop the show with our exhibitors, with our partners, Plastic Recyclers Europe.